Mastering SOC 2 Managed Services. Managed services must align with SOC 2's trust services criteria to achieve operational excellence. How do the managed services provided fall within the defined scope, and in what ways do they specifically support and align with the relevant trust services criteria (TSC) of the SOC 2 framework to ensure operational excellence? The managed services provided are carefully designed to fall within the defined scope of the SOC 2 framework, ensuring that they comprehensively support and align with the relevant trust services criteria (TSC) to achieve operational excellence. To begin with, the managed services are scoped to cover all aspects of the organization's information systems, including infrastructure, software, people, and processes. This breadth of coverage enables the organization to demonstrate its ability to design, implement, and operate controls that meet the TSC requirements for security, availability, confidentiality, processing integrity, and privacy. In terms of security, the managed services ensure that the organization's systems and data are protected from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, or destruction. This is achieved through a range of measures, including network and system hardening, intrusion detection and prevention, encryption, secure coding practices, and access controls. These measures directly support the security principle of the TSC, which requires organizations to protect their systems and data from unauthorized access or malicious activities. The managed services also prioritize availability, ensuring that systems and data are accessible and usable when needed. This is achieved through redundant systems, data backup and recovery processes, disaster recovery planning, and incident response procedures. These measures support the availability principle of the TSC, which requires organizations to ensure that their systems and data are available for operation and use when needed. In addition, the managed services emphasize the importance of confidentiality, protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access or disclosure. This is achieved through access controls, encryption, and secure data handling practices. These measures directly support the confidentiality principle of the TSC, which requires organizations to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access or disclosure. Furthermore, the managed services focus on processing integrity, ensuring that system processing is accurate, complete, authorized, and timely. This is achieved through automated workflows, data validation and verification processes, and quality control procedures. These measures support the processing integrity principle of the TSC, which requires organizations to ensure that their systems process data accurately and completely. Finally, the managed services prioritize privacy, protecting personal and sensitive information from unauthorized access, disclosure, or use. This is achieved through privacy policies, data minimization practices, and access controls. These measures support the privacy principle of the TSC, which requires organizations to protect personal and sensitive information from unauthorized access, disclosure, or use. In terms of operational excellence, the managed services are designed to ensure that the organization's information systems are operated efficiently and effectively. This is achieved through continuous monitoring, performance analytics, and process optimization. These measures enable the organization to identify areas for improvement, optimize system performance, and reduce the risk of errors or downtime. The managed services also prioritize incident management, ensuring that incidents are promptly detected, reported, and responded to in a timely and effective manner. This is achieved through incident response procedures, root cause analysis, and remediation. These measures support the operational excellence principle of the TSC, which requires organizations to identify, respond to, and manage incidents in a timely and effective manner. In conclusion, the managed services provided are carefully designed to fall within the defined scope of the SOC 2 framework, ensuring that they comprehensively support and align with the relevant TSC. By prioritizing security, availability, confidentiality, processing integrity, and privacy, the managed services enable the organization to demonstrate its ability to design, implement, and operate controls that meet the TSC requirements for operational excellence.